If you've been feeling exhausted, foggy, irritable, or constantly craving snacks, there's a good chance the real problem isn't stress, hormones, or lack of sleep. It might be something far more simple and far more common. You're dehydrated even if you think you drink enough water. Welcome back to the Healthy Lifestyles channel. I'm Dr. Lester. And today, I'm going to show you the most common symptoms of dehydration, the hidden health problems it creates, and the best science-backed strategies to stay hydrated and energized all day long. Most people walk around mildly dehydrated every single day, and they don't realize it. Why? Because dehydration doesn't always show up as thirst. It shows up as fatigue, headaches, brain fog, cravings, dizziness, constipation, and even mood swings. Your body is made of water. Your brain is mostly water. Your cells depend on water. When you don't get enough, everything starts to slow down. Let's break down the symptoms your body uses to warn you. When you are dehydrated, your cells can't produce ATP efficiently, which causes low energy. Dehydration reduces blood flow to the brain, causing headaches. Even 1% dehydration affects cognition and can cause brain fog. Low saliva equals bacterial growth, causing dry mouth and bad breath. During dehydration, your kidneys conserve water, producing dark urine. Low blood volume during dehydration drops blood pressure and may cause dizziness. Electrolyte imbalance causes muscle cramps. When your digestive system slows down, it may cause constipation. These symptoms are your body saying, "I need water and electrolytes now." Chronic dehydration doesn't just make you uncomfortable. It can create real health problems. Kidney stress and higher risk of kidney stones. Dry, aging skin. Slower digestion and bloating. Increased heart rate. Poor temperature regulation. Higher perceived stress and irritability. Your body is constantly trying to compensate, and that compensation drains your energy. Hydration isn't just about water. It's about fluid balance, the right mix of water and electrolytes. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and chloride help your body absorb water, maintain fluid balance, support nerve and muscle function, regulate blood pressure, produce energy. If you drink water without electrolytes, especially during heat, exercise, or long workdays, you can actually dilute your sodium levels and feel more dehydrated. Here are some of the best strategies for staying hydrated. 1. Drink consistently throughout the day. Sipping beats chugging. Your body absorbs water better in small, steady amounts. 2. Add electrolytes when needed. Use electrolytes during hot weather, exercise, illness, stressful days, long work hours. 3. Eat water-rich foods. Hydration also comes from food. Great options include cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, strawberries, celery, and coconut water. 4. Start your morning with water. You lose fluids overnight. A glass of water in the morning helps restore balance and boosts energy. 5. Limit dehydrating drinks. Caffeine and alcohol increase fluid loss. You don't need to eliminate them. Just balance them with extra water. 6. Listen to your body's signals. Thirst is a late sign. Pay attention to fatigue, headaches, dry lips, and dark urine. 7. Hydrate before, during, and after exercise. Sweat loss varies by person, but replenishing fluids and electrolytes is essential for performance and recovery. My final thought. Dehydration is one of the simplest problems to fix, and one of the most powerful ways to improve your energy, mood, digestion, skin, and overall health. Start with just one hydration habit today and watch how quickly your body responds, because when you hydrate well, everything works better. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. Let me know if there is a topic that you would like me to address. And check out my latest book, Stronger by the Day Nutrition, the ultimate guide to diet types, foods, and recipes for energy, fat loss, strength, longevity, disease prevention, brain health, and more, along with all the other books in the Stronger by the Day Empowerment Collection, all available on Amazon and my website. Until next time, nourish, move, relax, and revitalize. See you in the next video.